Hey everybody, so it's been a while since we've done something. We're just waiting for our friends Brian and Erica to show up. They should be here in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes. And then we'll go outside, the corgi, and go do the corn maze and pumpkin patch and all the fun stuff. Milo, dogs, hi, hi.
No, baby. Oh, there we go.
Milo, you know me.
He's like, you.
Milo, dogs, oh.
This is your chance to show that you're the best. Find your way through.
Are you kind of blocking people? Oh, it's not hard.
Yeah, maze 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go down to hard.
Hard first?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be fun. Was it this one? I feel like one year we came here, or maybe there was the year that we came here and they had a bad crop season.
Yeah, it was,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we came here and like all of this was like about here, and then half of it was dead.
Oh no.
Because we had a drought, I guess, that year, so their corn couldn't grow very well. So they had, they were just kind of piecing it together as much as they could.
Yeah. That's really sad. Thing?
What do you think?
Oh, so if you're right, then you get to the next clue.
Oh, then you make the decision.
Yeah.
Mm.
But if you know the answer for sure, then you know which way to go.
Well, it seems like odds are 2 out of 3 we should go right. But I was going to say
Would it
Malala.
be Malala?
I don't know who Malala is. That sounds like Nelson Mandela to me.
Malala is the girl that got like shot in the face in Afghanistan. Because she like was on a bus.
She wanted to go to
standing
school.
up for education.
Yeah,
Oh.
the Taliban shot her. And she was just a little girl, and now she's an education
She's a
activist.
worldwide
So that would make sense.
person.
So you want to go left then?
Yeah, let's go left then. Well, if we got it right, we know it's her. And what number this is, 1 to 8?
Rory's like,
1
okay.
to 7.
1 to 7.
The other one's 8 to 10. While she was talking to us, Charlie peed on one of the pumpkins right in front. And then I shifted the rocks.
That never happened. That never happened.
Shh.
So many smells here.
Sorry, I can't let you guys go off lead. I hope it'll be fun.
Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Who said it? Rosa Parks, Mother Teresa, or Helen Keller? Mother Teresa.
I don't think
Mother
it was Rosa Parks.
Mother
I don't think
Teresa?
it was Rosa Parks either.
I would say Mother Teresa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I feel like right doesn't go anywhere. It just like goes backward.
Yeah, you mean you can kind of tell the ground isn't exactly walked on.
Yeah. Oh, Rory, really?
Oh, Rory. Okay, I'll hold.
Let them go first.
Come on, you can do it.
Very cautious.
You can do it.
He's so cautious. Rory would just like race up there. He's like, let me at it. Is he scared?
I don't know. He's like, I can see through these stairs. They're weird.
Hi, Rory.
Oh, do you want to see a really cute photo? If we had all 3 of them and then someone took a photo from down there up of them.
Yeah.
Because if you like angle it the right way, you wouldn't know that like someone's holding them, right?
Right. Yeah. You take a picture, Brian. I'll come up here.
Who wants a treat?
Milo.
Rory. Charlie. Charlie.
I've learned that people forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. I think it's number 1.
I think it's number 1 too.
how you spell Eleanor Roosevelt?
But nobody goes right. Right is nothing.
Yeah, right is just a circle.
So it's left.
So it's either Eleanor or Maya.
Yeah, I guess so.
Interesting. But is that how you spell Eleanor Roosevelt?
I think they checked their spelling before they put it up.
But it just seems different than what I would think.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can
Martin
do
Luther
that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that.
Margaret Thatcher.
I was gonna say Martin Luther King.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like him. Okay, so I guess we're going right.
All the weeds? Margaret Thatcher?
Rory. God.
Yeah, Rory. Wow. See, now it gets hard. Because we could go straight-ish, or we could go right.
Yeah, straight looks like it could be guessing, or right looks like it could be too.
Yeah.
Let's go straight.
Milo says straight.
Milo's obviously right.
Looking for a spot.
I think I'm wrong.
What?
Just due to the grass growing.
Okay,
Do we want to go right?
Go right.
Let's go right then. Come on, guys, let's go right. Come on. Let's go.
Come on, Rory. Nobody needs in here.
Times when I post a caption, people are like, this is kind of cringy. I'm like, whatever, I tried. Yeah? Okay.
Every individual matters. Every individual has a role to play. Every individual makes a difference.
I think that's wrong.
I was gonna say.
Yeah,
It's definitely left.
yeah.
Who do we think it is?
I
Oh.
would.
I think it's Jane Goodall.
That's what I was gonna say. I think.
I don't know who Jane Goodall is either.
She's the chimpanzee lady. Well, yeah, you search chimpanzees. She's the woman who has lived with them since like the 60s
Oh,
or
okay.
the 70s
Yeah, yeah,
doing
yeah.
research.
Yep.
And she talks about animal conservation. I think Pope Francis would be a little bit more churchy sounding.
Yeah, I
Mm.
agree.
Okay, so Jane Goodall. Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting there. I think we're at 7. What number was just that? 5? I thought it was 6.
I think it just goes around.
I think so too.
We have power over our mind.
Not outside events. Wow.
Left.
What's over here then? Just out of curiosity. Oh, probably.
They're like, just don't go right.
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
How can we stop people from getting lost?
Or they're all wrong and you should go right.
Ooh.
Next level.
Not
Escape
outside
room core
events.
maze.
Realize this and you will find
Why has
strength.
nobody done that yet? Escape room core maze. It's a COVID friendly escape room.
It is.
With dogs.
All these paths.
Your dogs have to do all the puzzles. Complete them to escape.
Exit only, we made it.